There are a few things that most people get wrong when drawing the nose. First of all, the nostrils are not circles, so no more circle pig noses. The nostrils are forms of the nose created by the alar fat of the wings of the nose and the septum. So what I find works best for constructing the nostril is to use two angled straight lines shaded underneath. And it should set within the form shadow that runs along the lower plane of the nose, so that the nostril kind of hides within that form of the shadow of the nose. The next most common mistake is to draw the nose coming straight off the face. That'll make the nose look too long, so the nose actually comes off the face at a slight angle upwards. And of course you have to look at the characteristics of the nose, like some noses do pull down a little bit more, but a lot of the time the nose does cut up at this slight angle upwards. And the third most common mistake is having the sort of muzzle of the mouth come out from the back of the nose. So if we have like our nose here, it's common to make the mouth come out right sort of at the back of that, but that'll make the nose look too big. So in fact, as you can see, the muscles of the mouth actually come out in the center of the base of the nose from a full profile view. And another really common mistake is getting the angle of the nose wrong. So you can see that from a front-facing view, the nose is actually perfectly vertical. As it starts to turn 3/4, you just see like a slight sort of angle to the nose, and only from a profile view do you see the full angle of the nose. And all of this will be covered in depth in my upcoming nose painting workshop that runs March 25th via Zoom. And I'll walk you step by step through the construction of your own version of this painting. We'll take a look at how to get accurate proportions, putting the features in the right place on the face, and how to mix color, and we'll go deep into the construction of the nose. And I'll put a link in the description of this video to where you can enroll in the class. And remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notify button so that you never miss a video from me.